Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the League app not working in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. How your connection can prevent the app from loading. Step 2. Force close the app. Now swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause to open the app switcher. Find the League, then swipe it up to close it completely. Reopen the app and check if it works. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. If the app still isn't working, restart your iPhone. This clears temporary system glitch that can interfere with app performance. Step 4. Update the League app. First open the App Store, then search for League app. If an update is available, install it. An outdated version causes crashes or loading issues. Step 5. Check for iOS updates. First go to the settings, then general, then software update. If an update is available, install it. Some apps won't work correctly on older iOS versions. Step 6. Delete and reinstall the app. If nothing works, delete the League app from your phone, restart your phone, then reinstall it from the App Store and log back in. And that's how you can fix the League app not working. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.